What's up, guys? John Crestani here. I'm actually going to show you a day in my life, day in the life of an internet marketer. So we're actually in my office. Now, if you guys see over there, what I call my isolation chamber behind me, that's when I just need to stand up, grind out some stuff. Usually I'm the first one in the office. I come in a little early, get some work done. Generally speaking, when I start my day, I like to warm up with some boxing. This is my VR setup. This is kind of how I get warmed up in the morning. I used to run. I don't know, it took too much time out of my day and kind of like gave me a slow start. VR is pretty cool. For those of you who don't know VR, you can do anything. You can see on the screen. So what I'm doing, and I'm just gonna do, basically, I do a quick set. And what's cool is the music goes to the beat, so it's awesome, and this is block. So basically the few things on my list for today, generally what I do when I come into work each morning is I check my stats, I check my ad campaigns, and I make sure everything's running. My click-through rates are consistent, my conversion rates are consistent, and basically the money's coming in. My business, I don't know how many people don't know, but my business is it's what's called affiliate marketing. So I'm a middleman. I put up ads for companies that want to sell their products. I advertise their products. I make a commission when these products are sold. So my goal is basically, I try to spend, let's say $10 on advertising and make $20 worth of commissions. I've gotten interested in doing some YouTube stuff. So I'm trying to build this channel, trying to create a community here. I'm meeting up with somebody who can help me get higher in the rankings. In my situation, I have more money than time. Some of you may have more time than money, so you definitely learn how to do the YouTube stuff. But for me, it's about hiring the right people to just execute the jobs for me, because I try at this point not to do everything myself. Otherwise it causes my life, I don't know, stress and work. So I'm meeting up with somebody, interviewing them. I don't call it interview, I call it like just a meeting, because I'm not hiring them as an employee per se, it's more of a contractor role. One of the things I constantly do in my business is I'm trying to get kind of new ideas, fresh talent, etc. This guy, look, he even looks smart. Look, he even looks smart. He's got glasses on. I'm gonna be actually talking to Daniel. Hopefully I'm not making you feel weird by having you on camera, but we're gonna be talking. He's a YouTube optimizer. So there's two sides of doing a successful YouTube channel. For me, some people do it all themselves. For me, this isn't my main business, so I'm working with other people to do it, but basically it's the video, it's the creative stuff, and then there's the data stuff. So right brain, left brain. Cool, we had a productive meeting. I actually have to get out now, but Daniel, thank you so much for coming by. Look forward to seeing your follow-up. Yeah, we'll go from there. All right, dude, great stuff. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Yeah. And then the second thing is, I have a friend of mine who has he has like 800,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel, or 1 million subscribers on his YouTube channel. He really likes what I'm doing in advertising. He wants me to teach a little bit on his course. His name's Brendan Myers. Yo, what's up, guys? We are at my boy's place. We're gonna be filming some stuff here. He's starting a whole thing called the Creative Fitness Academy. People become fitness gurus and sell, products or physical or digital or whatever. So we're gonna meet him inside, and yeah, I think he's on a call, but his videographer should be coming down and letting us in, and we're gonna get set up in the studio.
What's up, boys?
What's up, dude? What's going on? Good to see you, good to see you. So, let's go in. Is this the studio set?
This is the studio, so we got the backdrop here. We'll be running some of your programs on there, and we're gonna shoot up upstairs, so
Awesome.
let's go up there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you have to get punched in the face.
No, not
Remember?
now.
No, you
before,
do.
Before my
No,
birthday.
yeah, you had to get punched in the face, remember?
Yeah, we made a bet. I'm getting punched in the face if I don't stop smoking before my birthday.
You know what, you can fly me somewhere instead. You're gonna talk about kind of what you're gonna be teaching in the course. When you first started, where were you, like, financially?
I was in college in 2009.
Guys, and welcome to your YouTube ads module portion of the Creative Fitness Academy. And today we have John Crestani here. He has a beautiful beard. He has the big brain upstairs, and he's been making a lot of money with YouTube ads for a couple of years now.
I had one good ad, went out to 55 million people last year.
What's up? So what are we doing? We're headed out. Gonna grab margarita. Margarita. Bite to eat. So I'm fucking starving. Let's do this. Hey guys, awesome stuff on making it to the end of the video. Now, I just want to leave you with a question. If you had $1 million, what sort of car would you buy? Now, answer in the comments below and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified of future videos of mine, as well as I do frequent live streams and giveaways, so you'll be notified of all of those as well. Now, I want to leave you with something on a personal note. Now, being an entrepreneur and getting to this place in life where I can just do what I want every day and live a life of freedom hasn't been an easy journey by any means. But what I decided way back when was that, you know, I looked at my life, I looked at where I was going, and I thought to myself, I would rather take crazy small percent chance at making it as an entrepreneur, living a life of freedom completely on my own terms, rather than work my entire life in a 9-to-5 job and feel like at the end of my life that I had missed living the life I wanted. Now, I encourage you to too, and it's possible. I just want to let you know it's possible for everyone to do this. We are in the most amazing time and place in all of history. The advent of things such as the internet and social media and virtual reality, which is coming up, and not going to go into that, but these are massive things that are happening in today's society, and every one of us can take advantage of them. And just that small percent chance to live a life of freedom, I decided it was worth it. It's up to you to decide. Is it worth it for you? So hopefully you guys like this. Make sure, once again, subscribe, notification bell, and leave a comment. Love to hear what you guys are thinking, and I'll see you guys in the next video.